orca. Here, they have learned to do something hardly ever seen. To hunt seals on dry land. Along this coast, this orca is one of only 16 known to hunt this way. Scientists have named her Jasmine. The teenagers need to start earning their keep. The orca students might be eager to get started, but no one is quite sure what to do. Under Jasmine's supervision, the students launch themselves onto shore. Next, target practice. Now to try the real thing. Close. There is just one more skill to master. How to conceal that giant dorsal fin. Turning on her side, Jasmine demonstrates just how. Every hunt needs an element of surprise. And for now, it's time to celebrate. The last great wilderness in the Americas.